Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the tab layout on Safari for your macOS device. Doing this will help you decide which layout option works best for you and your browsing needs. Let's watch the video till the end. Launch the Safari browser on your Mac device. Here, go to the different search websites. For example, I am opening new tabs such as any article or website. Tap Safari from the menu bar. You will see different drop-down options. Tap on Settings. Now, click on the Tabs section. To change the tab layout in your browser, you can select the Separate or Compact options. Here, the Compact tab layout is selected. Once you have selected it, you will see a preview of how your tab layout looks within the browser window. Here, the Compact option moves the tabs up to the toolbar. It shows only the website icon and a shortened title. Now, select the Separate tab layout type. You will see a separate layout that displays the full website title on each tab. Also, there is an Always Show Website Title in the Tabs checkbox. Tap on the checkbox to view the website title in the tabs. In the video conclusion, you can switch between these layouts by selecting your preferred option from the Safari settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.